from Harold's Academy. So today we're gonna make the panettone. Okay, first of all, we have to make the starter first. Okay, for the starter ingredients, we have high protein flour, all-purpose flour, room temperature water, yeast, and salt. We put the high protein flour and all-purpose flour, salt, and yeast. Mix well first. After mix well, then we add in the water. Low speed mix for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, then we change to 5-minute medium speed until the dough becomes very smooth. Okay, when the dough is done, then we put it inside the bowl. Use the plastic wrap to wrap it, and then we put it outside, let it rise for 3 hours, triple in size. Okay, the second part, we're gonna make the fruit mixture. So the ingredients, we have the raisins, candied orange peel, and orange juice. We put the raisin, candied orange peel, and orange juice. Mix it together. After mix well, we use the plastic wrap it, and keep in chiller overnight. After 3 hours, then we take out, punch down the dough, and roll until ball shape. Then we're gonna put back into the bowl, wrap it, and put in chiller overnight.
Day 2.
Okay, in the second day, we're gonna start to mixing the dough. So the ingredients, we have high protein flour, all-purpose flour, custard sugar, salt, instant yeast, egg yolk, milk, softened butter, marinated fruit, and the starter. So we put the dry ingredient first. And then we mix it. After mix well, we add in milk and egg yolk. Mix for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we add in the starter and mix for 4 minutes. Now we change to medium speed for 5 minutes. Now we add in the butter. After mix well, then we check the window pane until this very smooth texture. Then it's done. Then we add in the marinated fruit. Use low speed to mix well. Okay, when it's done, then we take out, make a round shape. We put it inside the container and let it cool for 2 hours.
2 hours later.
After 2 hours, you can see now it's double in size. So now we're gonna divide it. Then after divide, then make until round shape. Then we place it the panettone mold. Then we spray some water. We cover with a plastic wrap. Then let it cook for 2 hours. Preheat oven 170 and bake for 160 for 14 minutes. Okay, after 2 hours, we brush whole egg on top. Then we use sharp knife to cut it. After cut it, put a cube of butter, then cover it. Use 2 bamboo sticks to support and hanging it upside down. It will take few hours to hanging it. If you didn't hang it like this, your panettone will be collapsed. So this is a delicious panettone and easier method for the home baker.